Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be trying out the one layer makeup trend that has been going on for a while now. It requires you to apply only one layer of everything and then just blend it out. So I thought why not try this hack and see if it works or not. So if you wanna know my reviews on this particular hack, then please keep on watching. Before diving into this hack, I'll be moisturizing my face with this lather moisturizer in the variant Lavender. And for my lips, I'm trying the Kama Sutra Bare and Luscious Lip. This also develops as a lipstick remover. Don't forget to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you jump into your base products. To prime my face, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. And to fill in the pores of my forehead, nosy and under eye area, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. Now that our skin is prepped, let's start by applying our base products. I'm starting out by applying an orange color corrector by Miss Claire on the pigmentation around my mouth, followed by a highlighting concealer. This one's Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand on the areas like my forehead, chin, nosy and under eye area. Post that, I'm also applying the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude around the areas where I have highlighted. For contouring, I'm picking up the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze and I'm applying it on my cheekbones, circumference of my face, jawline and the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm using the Sugar Blush Stick in the shade Mauve Marble. Now before I blend this all in, I'm first drenching my face with a setting spray. This one is by Color Essence. To blend everything, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. I'm starting out by blending the lighter products first and then moving on to more deeper base products. Surprisingly, everything is blending very easily. If you feel like your setting spray is drying out, you can always spray some more. I'm highlighting the tops of my cheeks, tip and bridge of my nose with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. So after blending out everything, this is what my base makeup is looking like. To set this all in, I'm using a loose powder. This one's New Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas with my Sugar Arch Rival Brow Pencil in the shade Cherry Brown, and to spread the color across, I'm using its spoolie. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm setting it using a loose powder. This one's New Master Fix by Maybelline. To bring some depth to my eyes, I am contouring the crease area of my eyes with these two brown shades from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my dual-ended blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. I'll also be dragging this shade in my outer corner as well. For my lid area, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Oyster Pearl with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. Next, I am smoking out these two shades from the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics and Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow palette with my smaller pencil brush to my top lash line and also dragging it to draw a wing liner with it. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Oyster Pearl with my flat short shader brush. To smoke out my lower lash line, I am using this nude brown shade by Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette with my pack brush in the style 126. I'm lining my top lash line with the Norvina eyeliner by ABH Cosmetics. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. This one is by Mars. For falsies, I am using the Mars eyelashes in the style Flirty Miss. For lipstick, I am using this brick red shade by Faces Canada in the shade In Vogue. And here is the finished look. My thoughts on this technique, well, let's first discuss the pros. This was super quick, so if you are in a hurry, it will definitely save you some time. It also required less product. It blended pretty easily. I thought it will get a little patchy, but it did not. I was also expecting it to look a little muddy. Surprisingly, it didn't do that. Getting to the cons, even though it was just one layer of everything, it still didn't feel too light on my skin. On the contrary, I could see some areas on my face that looked a little cakey, especially my forehead. Also, because these are all cream products, you will have to layer it on with powder products to make it more long lasting. So will I be trying this technique again? I don't think so. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.